Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Esther. I hope you guys are doing well and that your Labor Day is going well. It is Monday as I am filming this video. So there's a few deals I want to get on. There is digital boosters, but they don't start until 9/5, which is tomorrow for me. But I do have on this account spend 50 6 times and then get $50 in Walgreens cash. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and work on that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Tresemme. There's different ones. So they stylers are $7, and then we've got some that are $6, and then we have like shampoo and conditioner that are $6. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 of these at $6, and then we do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and then when you buy 2 you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. So that'll give me $5 back here. And remember that Tresemme or the Unilever brand is part of the Fetch club, so be sure to submit your receipt onto Fetch so that you can get some extra points back. If you guys are new, also welcome. Just go ahead and take a moment to subscribe if you have not done so. I also want to check out to see what the P&G is still working on. So I'm gonna try a few things. Late last week I saw that Michelle posted that a few things were working. I tested some of them and they did work, so I'm just gonna be curious to see what's working today. So as you know, this spend 20 get back $5 in register rewards. We do have the scope. I tried this last week, it worked. I picked up 1 of the $5 ones here and 2 of the $6 product, along with I think I did 2 or 3 of the $4 product, but I'm gonna see what I need to pick up and I'll show you guys my receipt, of course. So I was able to pull up my digital coupons and see what's attaching to these. So we do have a 3 off of 2 attaching to this, and we do have a $1 digital coupon and a 3 off of 2 for this product. So 3 of them would take me to $15, and then I'm gonna get back $5 for buying 3. But then let me show you guys what I am pairing in with this deal, so that I can get to the $20. A little bit ago we did get like a 4 off of 2 only for you digital coupon of these products. So if you still have it, go ahead and pick this up. If not, we do have a $1 digital coupon, but these are $4 this week, and then when you buy 2 you're gonna get back $3 in register rewards. So this is 15 plus 8, that'll take me to $23, and then I'll get $4 coming off here, $3 coming off these 2. Hopefully the other $1 would come off here. So after all of that, I should be left to pay about $15, and then I'll get back the $5 for buying 3, $3 here, and the other $5 for spending 20. So I'll get back, what is it, 10, 13, so I'll get back $13. So meaning all these would come out to about $2. Okay, so I'm trying to get my total over $70 so I can use $20 in Walgreens cash. I'm gonna go ahead and do the buy 4 get $5 in register rewards. There's also still the promotion happening for the Tide. Maybe I'll switch this up and I'll grab a bigger Tide product just to submit back for this rebate. I'll probably just do the P&G promotion with this one here. I'll let you guys know what I end up doing. But yeah, they're buy 4 and then get $5 back in register rewards. So I grab a liquid, $5.49. I grab a dryer sheet for $5.49, $1.50 here, $1, and I grab this the rinse here for $5.49, $1 here, and I grab the beads as well. And then there's a $1 digital here. Now for the P&G promotion, I know there were certain ones that were printing the P&G coupon, so I'm gonna scroll back to some of the posts to see which ones were attaching for it, and then I just might pick this up along with the with these 2 products here, so I can see what's giving the $5 P&G coupon. I'll keep you guys posted and I'll show you my receipt. The Scope mouthwash in a different transaction. So for this P&G, I'm gonna go with this Tide liquid, the Ultra Oxy for $12.99, and we do have a $3 digital, and then I'm gonna add the 2 Glide for $8, so that'll take me to $20.99. So for the P&G rebate, this is what you must buy a Tide or Dreft detergent, a Downy Bounce, Scent Booster, Rinse, Liquid, blah blah blah. So you gotta have one of each, which I do here, and I gotta spend $30, so this would take me way over $30, but I'm only at $52, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab this here at $7.99, and we do have a $7 digital coupon, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this. If I find anything else that's full price, I might add it just so that I can get I can use a 20% off coupon to save a little bit off of that. So I'm also looking for the Viva here to see if I find it. So here's the Viva. It is $4.99. I thought I had a $1 digital coupon for it. I do not, but I'm gonna go ahead and add it anyways, just so that I can continue to build up my transaction. I'm only at $67 and change. I'm gonna go ahead and add the Dawn liquid. So they are $1.24, and then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back $1 in register rewards. So that'll take me to $70.41 here, so that I can use $20 in Walgreens. So on the next transaction, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the scope, and I'm gonna add in the Head and Shoulders. They are $6, and then when you buy 2, you're gonna get back a $4 register reward. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And my account, I'm showing that I do have a 150 digital, so make sure that you unclip that 150 first, so that it doesn't come off. So that the 3 off of 2 comes off, because at Walgreens the lower coupon always comes off before the larger amount. I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 of the Old Spice here. They are $7, and then when you buy 3, you're gonna get back $5 in register rewards. So I'm gonna grab 3 of the same, because sometimes I've had issues with different scents coming off in the past. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these 3, and then we do have Ibotta rebates for $2 on these, as well as the deodorant as well. So that puts me close to, I don't know, I lost count by now. And then I'm gonna add the Nivea. I grabbed the one that was $10.99 and one that was $9.99, and of course they'll spend $20, and then you're gonna get back $10. I left my coupon book at home. We do have 4 off of 2 inserts, as well as 3 off of 2 digital coupons. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my digital. I am right at $68, so to get my total over $70, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the Dawn products, just so that I can use $20 in Walgreens cash. So here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do 2 transactions today, and then I'm gonna call it a day for this store. I might go another one and use a different account. All right, you guys, so I am back in the car, and the sun is blazing, so you might hear my AC running, but here is the Tide, the $5.49 products, the Tresemme, the Oral-B Glide, the larger Tide product, the Dawn, and what was that I bought? Oh, the Viva, the Airwick. All of those products did skin okay, and I think I was only missing $1 coupon. Hold on, I wanted to find a shaded area. So here are the register rewards that I used. Right there, these are the manufactured digital coupons. So $7 for the Airwick, $4 for the Glide, $4 for the Tresemme, $3 for the Tide. What was that? $1.50 for the Tide. For the smaller Tide, $1. I am missing $1 coupon. Not sure for which one of those Tide products that didn't come off. Subtotal came out to $24.91. Used $20 in Walgreens cash, paid the $6.21 out of pocket, including taxes. Here's what I got back. I didn't have any point boosters, so I didn't get back any points. Plus, it didn't even show me, but I assume I didn't get any points back anyways. But here's what I got back: the $1 for the Dawn, $3 for the Glide, the $5 P&G products. So this I put it together with the Glide along with the Tide, so that worked there. $5 for the Unilever, that would have been for the Tresemme, and $5 for the, what was this other $5 for? Oh, for buying 4 of the Tide products. So everything printed out good there. Let me show you guys my transaction. I had to do it twice because that $10 we were getting last week, and the promotion is all month long on the kids product, on Act, Icy Hot, Allegra, Ducolax, and something else. So that $10 is not working yet. It's not rolling. So anyways, my card went through and I told her I was not about to pay. I'll show you guys $41. Like, no. So I was like, post voided. So she did, and I went ahead and I did it again. So I picked up the scope. Jesus. So okay, I picked up the scope. What else? The Crest scope. Okay, $5. The Head and Shoulders, the Dawn, the Old Spice, and I did the Nivea. So I thought about it, I would have added another product so that I could use a 20% off coupon, but it's okay there. And then only to get back to my car and realize I left my coupon book in the car and not at home. Anyways, here's that. So register rewards that I used. And after the transaction went through, she was like, oh, I'm gonna have to toss all of these printouts. And I was like, oh really? And she was like, yeah. And then she fold them up really nicely and put them under the cash register. Right, she's gonna throw them out. All right, anyways. Register rewards that I use here, digital coupons. So what do we got? $5 for the Old Spice, $3 for the Head and Shoulders, $3 for the Nivea, another $3 for the Crest. So I am missing that $1, the other $1 for the Crest that didn't come off. So subtotal came out to $29.46. I was hoping it'd be $8.46, but that $1 didn't come off. And then I used 20 in Walgreens cash, so that gave me another trip towards this card. So I'm 2 trips in. And then let me show you guys what I got back for points. I did use a point booster there, so a spend 40, get back 9. So I used that. And then I got back $19, so $10 for the Nivea and $9 for the point booster. And as far as what I got back, $5 for the P&G. I think that would have been for the Old Spice. Here is that combination working there for the Head and Shoulder and that Crest scope that I picked up. Sorry you guys, it's a whole thing. Like it's a whole thing. So that combination for the Head and Shoulders and the Crest scope is working. So got the $5 P&G, $5 for the Crest here. I want to say that's what that's for. $4 for buying 2 of the Head and Shoulders, and $1 for buying 2 of the Dawn. So this is all that I got for you guys today. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and hopefully you guys are stocking up. So the Crest scope is working, the Glide is working, the Head and Shoulders are working. Another deal I wanted to do, I didn't get a chance to do today, was on the Kotex, like the Always pads. I didn't get a chance to do that. It would have just been another transaction, and I want to go home, even though I'm going to hit up another store, but I'm tired. It's 5:15 and I'm tired. Okay. All right, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And please subscribe. I'll see you guys. So I forgot to show you guys this, right? So this was the transaction we had to void. Subtotal came out to $59. That's without the register rewards. Well, she scanned one of the register rewards, but yeah, I was like, I'm not about to pay all of that. So please cancel. So what she did was she put it through, and then the register rewards rejected. So I told her, if it rejects, it's gonna go back. Like, it's gonna void every other register reward that you use. So we rejected every other one except for the $4 one. So yeah, actually, but on here though, the $1 scope came off. I don't know, but she post voided it, and then all of my register rewards came off on the next one, and my digital coupons were still available to use. $41? No. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all soon.